Yeah. Send him up.
I really don't make a habit of meeting with my sponsors, but since you've been a regular contributor, I've made an exception.
I'm humbled that you take the time to meet.
So, Mr.
Lannister,
How may I help you?
it is how I can continue to help you.
Help me? You mean my organization?
Yes, of course.
But that's something you could have continued to do without a formal meeting. I thought there was another reason for this meeting.
Well, this scholarship fund, in the name of my daughter, is very precious to me, as you can well imagine. And I want to do so much more to help your organization because you're actually the only reputable organization of its kind in Jamaica that's dedicated and committed to helping young ladies all across Jamaica.
What's up, Carlton?
I guess I'll find out now that you're here. Want a drink?
Work out, I made a drink a whole heap last night, I have a little headache now, and it's kind of too early for a drink now anyway.
Oh boy, Jason, you're on the cheap liquor then. It's never too early for a good drink. Anyway, have a seat. I don't charge.
Carlton, you know I'm here, right?
I have my suspicions.
You know your time, right, Carlton?
My time?
You know what I mean, on brother?
Oh, brother. So, may your brother know. Interesting.
Look, no, I take this personal now. This is just business.
Business. You know, nobody know that better than me, Jason. Even though some people hide some very unscrupulous personal agendas behind that word.
Well, thank you for your kind words and keen observation. And even after doing so much, there's still the critics and the naysayers